Okay, good morning again. We are looking at cube roots. And can you see that we have a cube root here? But what is happening inside the cube root? We are actually multiplying because everything is next to each other. Now, what does that mean? When we multiply inside the cube root, it means that we can actually break up the cube root into separate cube roots. Okay? It's only because we are multiplying. And you can do this when you multiply and when you divide, but not when you add and subtract. Then you can't separate your root. So let's separate it because we are multiplying inside the root. It will be the cube root of 64 multiplied with the cube root of x to the power of 9 multiplied with the cube root of y cubed multiplied with the cube root of z to the power of 6. Okay, wonderful. Now, what do we do? So for the first one, it is fairly easy. We know that the cube root of 64 is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. But what do we do with these ones? Now remember, the rule is always you will take the exponent and you will divide it with the degree of the root. So if the degree is 3, you will divide 9 with 3. You will divide 3 with 3. And you will divide 6 with 3. Okay? So it will be multiplied with x to the power of 9 divided with 3, which is 3. Multiplied with y to the power of 3 divided by 3, which is 1. But we don't have to write the 1. Okay? And then multiplied with z to the power of 6 divided with 3, that will give us 2. Now, we don't have to use these multiplication signs because if they are next to each other, it means multiplication, so we just write it as 4x cubed y z squared. Okay, thank you guys. I hope it helped you guys.